We were able to reach out to Hy-Vee and partner with them, and they sponsored us to get the kids kind of up and moving. We had about 3 days left of our semester A-B day. We wanted these kids in the kitchen, hands-on, learning how to cook traditional foods, but with a different twist to them. And as they came in, some of them got excited, some of them didn't know what they were doing, some of them had cooked before, so we had kids working with groups that they'd never worked before, just in different teams, leading, preparing, cleaning, just getting really everything moving in the process of cooking. And that's a success story. They come back in after a break and they said, "Mr. Rush, I know we did grilled cheese. I'd never cooked it, but I cooked it for my whole family." And I was really pumped up about that. And we talked about different twists. Maybe for your grilled cheese, you can add different fruit to it, or you could add meat to it, or you can butter both sides of your toast versus just, trying to ration out some things here. We had a couple people reach out, Mrs. Robinson and Mr. Coffee. They reached out to Hy-Vee to partnership, and they sponsored all the ingredients to bring into the classroom. It was nice to get the food in here, and Hy-Vee working with the community was one of the biggest things for us, is that the community is able to, jump from dietitians out in Hy-Vee just up the road off Euclid to come in and work with us. So I was super pumped up to have them come in.
It's good, right? See?